everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'll share with you the recipe of mushroom masala fry. It's very easy, tasty and easy to make. So let's get started. In a cooking pan, add oil, chopped onions and let it cook for 15 to 20 seconds. Ginger garlic paste and cook it till the onions are golden brown. Tomato puree, salt to taste, chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, turmeric powder and kasuri methi, which is optional. Close the lid and let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes on medium flame. Add water if necessary. Add mushrooms and 1 cup of water and mix it well. Close the lid again and cook it for 5 minutes on medium flame. Add cashew paste and mix it well. This will give the masala a rich texture and a great taste. Mushroom masala is ready. Serve it with garnished coriander leaves. For the written recipe, check out the link below. I hope you like this recipe and do try it at home. Please like, share, comment and thank you for watching.